Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how you can find the length of a particular dictionary. Okay, very easy. So first of all we have to declare one dictionary object, then finding the length of that particular dictionary object, and how many items on a particular dictionary, that is generally returns on length of that function. So here we are using len function. Okay, so first of all I am going to declare d1, that is a dictionary object, equal to roll. First of all I have declared roll colon, then name colon, then h. Okay, h. Fine. Then when I am going to run it, it will shows you okay, nothing, because I am not printing anything. Print d1. It returns the dictionary object. Okay, it returns the dictionary object. Now when I am going to print len function, within that len function d1, okay, and it returns 3. Okay, why? Because how many items or how many members are present? 3 members. If I am going to another member, address colon qt hyphen pq, then what will the length? Let's say 4. Okay, here is the 4. The number of items belongs to the length of that particular dictionary object. Okay, so here the row name age address are the general dictionary length, and the length general belongs to the length d1. Okay, and run it. Fine, it's returned the 4. So in this way you can evaluate or calculate dictionary length. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. If you have any questions, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. When I'm going to upload any videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.